Hello guys, once again I am in front of you, and today I am going to solve one problem that is based on priority sequencing, and method is critical ratio method. Before this, for priority sequencing, we have already solved the problem on that first come first served. Okay, shortest that the processing time, longest processing time, earliest due date. Okay, that the priority sequencing is also solved with the help of critical ratio method. So what is critical ratio method? I am going to tell you. One problem I have already written here, and that problem you have given different three jobs, due date is given, and work days remaining is given. It is necessary, it is mandatory. Okay, if these three are not given, then by critical ratio method, priority sequencing, we cannot solve the problem. Here, these three things are mandatory, and after given this, I am going to solve the problem. Here, one another also information given. Okay, that is day one on the production schedule. You are informed that today is day one. Today is day one is given. Day 2 also given. Day 3 also given. Day 5 also given. So what we have given, according to that you calculate the critical ratio. Okay, here day 1 is given. Day 1 is given, so critical ratio we calculate that 5 is the due date. 5 minus 1 divided by what is day remaining? 3. 3 remaining, and what is the value? 5 minus 1, 4. 1 minus 3, 1.33. And next one, 4 minus 1 divided by 4. This 4. 4. That is here 3. 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4 means what is the value? 3 divided by 4, 7, 0.75. Okay, this is 3 and 2, 2 means 25. Okay, and next one, what is the value? 6 minus 1 divided by 5, that is 1. Now priority sequencing, this is less than 1. Which one is first? First you have which job? D job is first. After that, which job? C job is second. Okay, D, after that C, after that A. So priority we should give according to critical method. According to critical ratio method, priority sequencing of the job is D, C, A. Okay, in this way you can solve the problem. Thank you.